Yummy.
Welcome to our mukbang is like an eating show. What other ingredients do you have, Claire?
Garlic and olive oil.
Yeah, what is it?
It is vongole pasta. What are the ingredients of your food, Malika? What country is your food from? Is it tomato pasta?
Yeah!
Wow!
Good job, Claire. Okay, show us, Mom. Yay! Yummy! Oh, Claire's so fast! Wow!
Creamy and a little bit salty and a little bit spicy too because of pepper. Taco or burrito?
Yes! William, you got it right! It is taco! Do you guys see my taco?
I think it's a kimchi.
Wow.
It's not. Oh, it's right.
Hey, did you like eating dinner with us? Together?
Yeah.